I think it's important to explain to the country how the commitments that we have made are going to be funded. There are questions that have been asked of that. And I first want to start off by reaffirming the People's National Party's commitment to fiscal responsibility and prudent management of the economy. And I want to go back a little because I believe a historical perspective is important to look at what we did when we were last at the wicket. When we inherited the economy in 2012, the country was on the precipice of economic collapse. The last JLP administration from 2007 to 2011 had failed the last 3 IMF tests. In fact, they didn't even take the tests. Jamaica faced a significant trust deficit where our international partners simply didn't believe that we were capable of being responsible. When we inherited the economy in 2012 under the leadership of the Most Honorable Portia Simpson Miller as Prime Minister and Dr. Peter Phillips as Minister of Finance, we had to undertake significant work, heavy lifting, to re-establish Jamaica's credibility with our international partners.